Hello and welcome to beautiful Green Bay, Wisconsin. I'm here at a local elementary school where we're going to be replacing an old style, less efficient water heater with a brand new high efficiency A.O. Smith Cyclone Flex. Let's go ahead and get started. So right now they're taking out the old water heater. They're going to remove it. They've already drained it, got the gas system off. They're going to cap the vent. They're going to go ahead and get all of this out of here, and then we're going to start prepping for the new water heater. While they're working on getting the old water heater out, let's go check in with the school to see exactly what this Cyclone Flex is going to provide every day.
Well, in the school, it's really important to have hot water in our restrooms and facilities, just for the sanitation of the hands and for the students. We also use hot water in the kitchen, which is very, very important.
How will the new water heater improve the school's efficiency and sustainability efforts?
Our old water heater was running at about 80%, probably less than that because it was 15 or 17 years old. So we're hoping to see about a 15, 18% increase in the efficiency, less carbon emissions and everything else. So it's going to reduce our carbon footprint.
Thank you for your time, Tom. Let's go check on our progress.
All right, appreciate it.
Peter?
Hi, Jerry.
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Hey, Ryan, how you
Good.
doing? So we've got Ryan Atkins here. He is one of our product managers, and Peter Bibby is with Solder Home and Associates. And while they're hard at work putting in that water heater, I wanted to talk to both of you about, upgrading to the Cyclone Flex. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about, Peter. There really is no reason to wait.
You're right, Jerry. There is absolutely no reason to wait. Besides the obvious advantage of the efficiencies that the Cyclone Flex already hits.
Right.
You know, with the addition of the adaptive gas technology, the flexible venting from 2-inch to 6-inch, the contractors will be able to overcome many of the issues that they're going to face with both gas and the venting.
Exactly.
Well, it looks like Paul and his crew are about done. I can't wait to see it in action. Let's go take a look.
Let's check it out.
Hey, this looks fantastic. So the installation looks like it's about done.
The water's turned on, tank is filled, gas is on, condensate and venting is complete, and
Yeah?
ready to turn it on, make some hot water.
All right, it's a moment of truth.
You betcha.
Go ahead and turn her on. Well, that about wraps it up here.